Today we are cooking up something special, the perfect 401k holiday recipe to give you the best chance to retire wealthy.
There we go. Ready,
Set,
bake! We're gonna start putting our ingredients together for our lovely recipe, our cake. All right, so what are we starting with? We are starting with our foundation. We got the plan sponsor. All right,
Woo-hoo!
That definitely goes in there. All right, next we need a financial professional. You guys call them a broker or an FA. All right, and the money's got to go somewhere. We need a record keeper. Where's a really good record keeper? There's a really good record keeper over there. All right, and we're gonna keep stirring this up. What else do we need? What are we missing?
the most important ingredient.
The
The
compliance.
one that adds value.
Right, yeah, thank you very much, our compliance consultant. All right. We think of these 4 elements as the foundation because every plan needs all 4 of these things to be taken care of. You need an employer to sponsor the plan. Can't have a plan without that. The DOL wants a financial professional to provide education to the plan's participants, all right? Somebody needs to be performing that function. Then somebody has to keep track of the assets. Somebody has to know which asset belongs to which person, all right, what the investments are.
Cannot be a mystery.
No, that's not supposed to be a mystery. That's a
mystery
record
cake.
keeper. And somebody has to do all the compliance work. Somebody has to do a plan document. Somebody has to do testing. Somebody has to do a Form 5500. That's a compliance consultant. That's the role we function.
And you want a professional, you don't want a scallywag.
No. So now we've got our good foundation. I'm getting this all mixed up here. And so your cake is going to, like we said, your cake's going to collapse and it won't even be worth the effort if we don't have all those in there. So what's next? Sugar and employee contribution. There we go. Why do we need them? Well, because it makes the employees happy. They have a little bit more control over their own retirement destiny. What else have we got, Catherine, there? Come on.
Somewhere we have butter.
We
I don't
got
know where
butter.
We have the
There's the butter.
Oh.
There's the butter. It's right there. There's our butter.
Oh, it says
That's
Roth.
Roth. Yeah, so we're kind of thinking the Roth, okay? Roth, we're thinking Roth is butter, okay? Kind of smooths things out, gives you another tax strategy, all right? In a Roth contribution, you pay your taxes now, and if you wait long enough, you get to take your gain out tax-free, not tax-deferred. Helps you diversify your tax planning. All right, so then, this is looking a little flat. We're gonna need something to help this cake rise a little bit more.
Beat it a little bit more.
I'm working on it.
Now we're gonna throw in some baking soda.
Oh, we got
Good job.
that's auto enrollment. We're kind of thinking of that as baking soda. That's a new rule.
Put some rise to your plan.
Exactly. We're going to have the employees it's going to be easier for employees to start contributing to a plan. That's auto enrollment, and that's a new part of Secured 2.0. All right, what else have we got next? What's next on our recipe list here? Ooh, what's going to help smooth it out? What's going to help smooth it out here? Ooh, there we go. You gonna pour some milk in there? That's
Chunky
very
milk.
chunky milk. It's powdered milk, okay? So employer contributions, we're thinking of a profit sharing contribution, something that's gonna help smooth things out for everybody, and it really is going to help the plan sponsors achieve their retirement goals and needs, all right?
Helps a lot with testing.
Helps a lot with testing, exactly. And then finally, how do we make this thing taste just a little bit better? What's somebody gonna want? Oh, we're gonna pour some bourbon in here. Ooh, there we go.
Vanilla,
and
which
vanilla.
is a match.
We're gonna have an employer matching contribution go in there. All right. So the employees really, really like that. So then, now this is getting hard to stir here. Okay. So I think we're almost done. This is going to taste perfect. I don't really want anybody to think that they could throw anything in here that would make it
so much better with a little bit of real estate.
No! Get rid of don't put bad stuff like that in here. Why would you put some?
How about Bitcoin? Bitcoin would make it better. They both start with B's.
Why didn't you just put? No, there's no Bitcoin in my baking. What's going on here? And then
how about personal property?
No.
Hey, my Beanie Baby collection.
No, that's going to be a great plan. No, that's horrible. Get that out of there. Okay, come on.
I can do really a great job of having life insurance because, hey,
this is a perfect cake. Why are you going to mess? No, we got to. No.
Ooh,
Okay.
that went straight past me.
Now I got rid of all that icky stuff. Okay, we've only got good batter in here. What's our last and final step?
We'll put it in the oven for 20 to 30 years.
At a really low heat, otherwise it's going to be really bad. Okay, so
put it in the oven
for a really long time. until you want to retire. In other words, taste your cake.
And
Have your cake and eat it too. There we go.
And there you have
Oh my goodness, look at that. That's
the perfect
absolutely
401k
wonderful. It's perfect.
holiday recipe.
It's a 401
A blend.
cake.
Yeah,
All right.
It's a blend of the right ingredients to give you a plan that will give you the very best chance of retiring
The
successfully.
vanilla in there is great. The right balance of sugar and butter. This is fantastic. So thank you very much for baking with us. Let's see what we put together next year. All right. If you like this video, we did, please watch some of our other videos on 401k plans with our 401k Help playlist. We would obviously love to continue this conversation with you when we're done eating. So please like, subscribe, comment. Even if you don't like it, just let us know what's going on. And you can always contact us at sales@hunterbenefits.com.
Toodaloo.
Bon appetit.